our new kitchen set, but we opened it, but we don't know what's inside. It's our first time my sister getting new kitchen set yesterday in her birthday, so we can reveal it. So I think this is the stove. When you twist it, the fire gets up and down and up and down, and I don't know what is the stove. It twists. When you twist it this way, the fire gets down. When you twist it this way, the fire gets up. So here's it. And I think here, this is the fridge. It has lots of food. I can see ice creams and a table and lots of things here. And soup, noodle soups. I think I like noodle soup. And this is the oven, and you can switch these, but you can't really switch them. Turn them around. Okay, this is done. I wonder what is this? I think it's a window. Well, we can see what it is. So if you want to see it again, you can see. Oh, this is kind of the cover of the fridge. And we're going to place it down. And this was the back side, looks like. I think I'll find one box of accessories. It's upside down. Here you go. And now, so you're gonna pop this. Let's just pop it. You can pop. And we also have a clock. You can move it. Let's take it out. So you can see more properly. The back is free, but let me fix this. It's a bit easy to fix a kitchen set. A clock, and if you remove it, it's 12 o'clock. Well, the clock is only 12 o'clock. And 12 o'clock. There's no 100 clocks for that. But here, I don't know what it is, but I think it's something. I think it's a self, yeah. It must be a self for the clock. Because at the picture you could see a self. Oh. I didn't know. What is it? A stuffing? Oh, here it is. Stickers that you get. You could see it. This is the frying pan to cook. And this is the handle. Like where you move the hot water, the cold water. And I think these are the plates, broken knife. And I think this is the stove over here. And here's some fruits on top. Oh my goodness, I didn't know it was open already. Okay, here's the stove inside. I will show you the fruits in just 1 minute. I think we already have, come on. I think we already have this tomato, but it's squishy, very squishy, and this lemon already. And the rest of these fruits we don't have, but we do have this ketchup, but it is a bit different. And we also got a mustard and a Coke. Is this a Coke? It's a Coke, well, but I think this bottle is a cola, but it says Coke or something. Okay. Here's some cola over here. And I think the sun is a bit different, but it's a cola on it. You're almost done. Oh, I wonder what is this. I think it could be the door for a refrigerator, and here the molds for the stickers. My voice is a little bit sore. Ooh, well, what could this could be? I have no idea. Okay, this is the refrigerator door. I think that you could add some stickers. This is an oven. I think you open it like this. You follow the refrigerator. And I have to go inside a box of food. Okay, this is the stove. Like you have to place the stove. And the last What could this be? Maybe they could be for holding themselves. Yeah. So what you're waiting for? Let me see. No more. So you could. Let's fix everything, and then we can play with you. So this is the instructions. Oh, this is the instruction which had come in the kitchen set. How much longer the instruction? Okay, it's here. So we're gonna start with all these bases. Here, step 1. Okay. Where does this big thing go? I'm just gonna copy it. So the white piece has to go here, and we click it like this. If you since don't know how to if you have a kitchen set and you don't know how to build it, you could subscribe to our channel and watch this video, and then you learn step by step. And this one has to go straight like this. Okay. How did I click the other one? Oh yeah. So first you just tap inside the box and you make a mini big box. Okay. So here's an example. Let me break this one right now. So you just have to see the holes where it goes, and then you click hard as you can, and then it fixes. Okay, now. So done with that part, we can cut upside down and see if this one works. Oh yeah, I clicked. Oh, now it's this one doesn't fix. Okay, and I'm gonna get one. Are you with it? I'm gonna try to do like this a bit. So, and then you stop these two, and then it fixes very harder, so you never break it. Well, sometimes kitchen set breaks very easy, but you have to be careful when you play. And now I already know that. I already know this. This has to go. Then under the box, you click like this. Okay. Then you put this big box inside here. Then you snip, snap, snap. Okay, and now this side. All done. So we decided we want to do the sticker first. And you just want to see what it looks like when you put the stickers on. And that's just my little sister trying to help. So here's this big Owen sticker. I'm going to peel it. The easy way to peel is just make the paper. It just did it by itself. Okay, all done. First we put the Owen. So then you place the oven inside, so it goes like this. No snap. I think it doesn't snap. So you just take it off and on. And I think there's another tree that goes here. And yep, it is good. See if it's all done. See that one? And now you're going to, oh yeah, this thing's easy. So go easy. You just close it, and then you open it. And you can throw your fruits inside. Maybe we can put all the fruits inside here. Cool. The color doesn't go in the oven. We can do that soon. And now we can start from the top. So first of all, this thingy has to go. Like this. That's not good. I think it's mine. Yeah. No, I think. Oh yeah, it's just not by itself. I didn't even know. And where's the sink? Here's the sink, and this is the tap. As you can see in the picture, that's the sink. And here, this is the stove. Fire burns, and here you can put it back here. Yeah, I don't know where it can start from. Here, we'll put this part over here. Somewhere. Maybe I can put it in the wrong way. Oh, yeah, it works. I'm gonna put the fire on. Well, there is choices. We're done with the whole kitchen. Now we just have to do the sauce. We use these two black. We have to go like this. One here. Add these two black ones over here. And now we're going to put this like maybe it's the wrong one. Put the sticks in the right way, and then finally one here, and then we're going to start with the white stuff. Right here. Okay, white stuff. So here's the white stuff. And what we got? A stuff. Voila! Oh, not with these. Cook whatever you like. But first you have to here's the cell. All done. No problem. It's 12 o'clock because two mouses are playing puppet. You can switch it whatever you like. Whenever you like. It goes like this. And kitchen set's ready, but you think something is missing? I know. The refrigerator door. So I'll show you how the refrigerator door works. It works like this, simple. Now I'm going to put this one on top. And this one as well. The refrigerator's done. It's open and closed. You can add real food. Well, we're not gonna add real food. Now to use the stickers. After stickers, I have some surprise. Well, not the sticker, but something else. If it looks more boring, we can. Oh no, I ripped the sticker. Okay, ripped it. The star sticker goes like this. Probably. Right. And this 7 o'clock. I think it's 7:70. I put it over here. It's upside down here. It's not upside down. And we got a teddy bear sticker. How cute. Now where the sticker goes. This just looks like a teddy bear. So let's put it here. So this goes like this. And now some apples. That apple will go like this. First next to leave. There we go. And we got this. I have no idea what is this. Wait a minute. Oh, wait, this doesn't go here. This hot dog will go. Okay. Time to make it go. That's upside down. One more. And go. Oh, the cookie spoon is done. Now we just have to make all the stickers here. Let's find these stickers up in here. And it goes perfectly. Okay, this is gonna go here. So this is gonna go here. It has to be the right shape, so we hit play. All the fruits are done. Now we just need to put the spoons inside. We're gonna start with plates and the cups here. And I also got some surprise for you. So here's the pizza box. We'll go near to the over here. This goes here though. And Johnny mustard. So the kitchen is all done. The first layer, and we could do the second layer. Just a lemon and a potato. Well, yeah, there's a little bit of fruits. Okay, so these could go up. And I saw a green fruit. We need some cucumbers near to the potato. Okay. What you're doing here? Do you know where's the cucumber?
No.
You can, at the dot, it doesn't work at all. If you go a little bit medium, it start working, but these two dots are not working long too much. If you go in the fire, the very warm place, the dots are working. The two dots. Even this, now I will show you this one, how it works. That's how they work. This one back. So hey guys, today we're gonna make soup. Whenever you're making soup, you need vegetables, not fruits. So I think pineapples are fruit, so we're not gonna use pineapple at all. Couch is a vegetable. So we can put this here. And let's use our fridge as well. Lots of fruits and veggies. This is a fruit. This is a veggie. And strawberry is a fruit. And acorn is vegetable. So now, and tomatoes are vegetable. Now let's mix them together and see what do we get. Now we can use the stove. Or turn the stove on. This is not the right spoon to use. This spoon is for frying. And this is also not the right spoon to use. And this is the right spoon to use. Let's turn off the gas stove. And this one. Soup is ready now. Now, this is not the right soup to use. This one is right. Now let's turn off and put the soup back in the plate. Here's the plate. The soup will go at the circle because it's circle. And we need a bread because it's square. And the last one, we need triangle. Oh, we don't have a triangle. Oh, well, we can add a spoon here. Spoon could be here.
Pie.
Oh, well. Here's your bread. Oh, I think. Wait, where's the bread now? Your veggie's ready. And that's how you finish your kitchen set. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos at Toy Baba Kids.